So I've been with Blvd Nutrition / Stewart Nutrition for about 10 years, and then I had a small nutrition shop in Dillon, Montana for about 2 years prior to that. When I actually freshman year of college at University of Montana Western, I met a personal trainer there, and we became friends, and he just introduced me to the gym world, and from there I got interested into the supplement side, and that's a rabbit hole, you know. I mean, it's endless, and so as I started to venture down that hole, I realized just so much misinformation that's out there, and there's multiple right answers to something as well, you know. And so once I got interested in that, it was just more or less helping people rather than a personal experience.